Hey there, future investors! If you've clicked on this video, you're probably curious about diving into the world of real estate. Great decision! Real estate can be a fantastic way to build wealth. Let's break it down for you. So, what exactly is real estate investment? Simply put, it's buying properties to make money. This could mean earning rental income, flipping houses for a profit, or watching your property's value rise over time. For beginners, it's a solid option because it can offer steady returns and the ability to leverage your investment. Now, let's talk about the types of real estate investments you can consider. First, we've got residential properties. These are your single-family homes, condos, and townhouses. They're a great starting point because they're generally easier to understand and manage. Next, there's commercial real estate. Think office buildings and retail spaces. These can offer higher returns, but usually come with more complexity. Then we have rental properties. This involves buying a property and renting it out to generate income. It's a popular choice for steady, long-term cash flow. And finally, real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. Investing in REITs is like buying shares of a company, and it's a way to invest in real estate without having to manage properties directly. All right, let's get into the key factors you need to consider. First up is location. You've probably heard the saying, location, location, location. It's crucial. A property's location can significantly affect its value and your potential returns. Next, market trends. Is the area you're looking at growing? Are property values rising or falling? Doing your homework here pays dividends. Then, the condition of the property. Is it a fixer-upper or is it move-in ready? Knowing what you're getting into helps avoid unexpected costs. And finally, financing options. How will you pay for the property? Mortgages, loans, and other financing methods can impact your overall investment strategy. Moving on to basic investment strategies. One approach is buy and hold. You purchase a property and keep it for the long haul, benefiting from appreciation over time. Another is fix and flip. Buy a property, renovate it, and sell it for a profit. It's more hands-on but can offer quick returns. Rental properties, as mentioned, provide steady income through monthly rent. And lastly, real estate crowdfunding. This lets you invest in real estate projects with others, spreading the risk and benefits. Of course, no investment is without risks. Market fluctuations, property management issues, and unexpected costs can all impact your returns. But with risks come rewards, potentially high returns, tax benefits, and portfolio diversification. Here are some tips for beginners. Start small. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Do thorough research. Knowledge is power. Network with other investors. Learn from their experiences. And consider working with a real estate agent or mentor. They can provide invaluable guidance. So, there you have it. A crash course in getting started with real estate investment. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.